Members, guests in the gallery, please rise and join us in observing a moment of silence.
Now, before the hearing started, lawmakers in the House honored the victims of the deadly floods in the Hill Country and Central Texas with a moment of silence this morning. More than 100 people have died across the state. 2 are still missing in Kerr County, and in Burnett County, search crews are still looking for Marble Falls Volunteer Fire Chief Michael Phillips. State Representative Wes Verdell represents the Kerrville area. He says lawmakers will do all they can to find ways to stop this from happening in the future.
There are a lot of families that are greatly suffering right now. You know, it's going to take us a couple of years to rebuild the damage, but those families are going to suffer a lot longer trying to recover from their loss, which is very tough for them. And I appreciate y'all's support. I know many of those that were lost are from your districts too, and so I'm sorry greatly for your loss.
Now, lawmakers are looking at a variety of things, from flood warning systems to relief funding during this special session. The Joint Committee that's looking into the flooding held its first hearing yesterday, and those lawmakers are set to hear from flood victims and first responders in Kerrville next week.